Let's continue with the part 2 of Human Body Anatomy and Physiology chapter. We will discuss in detail on the integumentary system, nervous system, and digestive system. Let's look at the human integumentary system first. Skin is your protective coat, shielding your body from the weather and from infection, and helping to keep it at just the right temperature. It is also your largest sense receptor, responding to touch, pressure, heat and cold. Skin makes vitamin D for your body from sunlight. Human skin is divided into 3 layers: epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous layer. The epidermis is the thin outer layer. It's just a dead cells. It is made mainly of a tough protein called keratin, the remains of skin cells that die off. Below the epidermis is a thick layer of living cells called the dermis, which contain the sweat gland, hair follicle, sebaceous gland, hair erector muscle, and capillaries. Skin is 6 mm thick on the soles of your feet, while the skin on your eyelids is just 0.5 mm thick. Hair roots have tiny muscles that pull the hair upright when you are cold, giving you goosebumps. The epidermis contains cells that make the dark pigment melanin. This gives dark-skinned people their color and fair-skinned people a tan. There are many functions of human skin. For example, to regulate body temperature, to protect against infection or other hazards, to house blood vessels, to prevent dehydration, to synthesize vitamin D, and to excrete excess water and salt. Human skin can be affected by several occupational hazards, for example, UV ray, strong acids, sharp objects, and latex or toxin. UV ray, as frequently used in food industries and dentistry, can cause skin cancer. Strong acid can cause a serious burn on skin. Sharp object can cause scratch and cuts. Chemicals such as latex or toxin can trigger allergic reaction. Next is the human nervous system. The nervous system is your body's control and communication system, made up of nerves and the brain. Nerves are your body's hotlines, carrying instant messages from the brain to every organ and muscle, and sending back an endless stream of data to the brain about what is going on both inside and outside your body. The nervous system is divided into 2 parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system consists of the brain and spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system is made up of the nerves that branch out from the central nervous system to the rest of the body. The autonomic nervous system is part of the peripheral nervous system. It controls all internal body processes, such as breathing automatically without you even being aware of it. The autonomic nervous system is split into 2 complementary parts, the sympathetic and the parasympathetic. The sympathetic system speeds up body processes when they need to be more active, such as when the body is exercising or under stress. The parasympathetic slows them down. Function of human nervous systems are: gather the information, transmit the information, process the information, and sending information. The main function of human nervous system is to control all internal body processes. Several examples of occupational hazards that can affect human nervous systems are radiation, pesticides, and electric shock. Radiation can cause damage to the nerve ending, which impair impulse transmission. Pesticide used in agriculture can cause nerve disorder. Moving on to the human digestive system. The digestive system uses the food that we eat and breaks it down into material that body cell can use for energy. It then eliminates what is left over as waste. The digestive system consists of the digestive tract and the digestive organs. Your digestive tract is basically a long, winding tube. It is also called an alimentary canal. It starts at your mouth and ends at your anus. Muscular contraction in the gut moves the food that you eat from one end to the other. The digestive system also consists of several separate organs, including the salivary glands, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. These organs produce enzymes and chemicals that helps in the digestion of foods. The food you eat is broken down into the nutrients your body needs as it passes down through your esophagus into your stomach and your small intestine. Undigested food travels through your large intestine and leaves your body via your anus. The function of human digestive system are to break down food into smaller parts and absorb nutrients. Several occupational hazards that affect human digestive systems are solvents, heavy metals, infectious hepatitis, bacterial infection, and occupational stress. Those examples can cause liver damage, vomiting, bloody mucus and stool, and cirrhosis.